It tastes like a happy face.
It tastes like a happy face. Hi, Sai! Welcome to Bad Hair.
Good food.
Tonight we're gonna make
Taco rice.
That sounds great, but what is taco rice, Ruby?
It's taco on top.
What's on the bottom?
Rice. You put rice inside the bowl.
Yeah.
And then taco on top.
Oh, that sounds pretty tasty. It's one of our favorite Okinawan dishes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess we gotta introduce all the ingredients so we can teach everyone how to make it. So taco rice needs rice.
It can roll around and then you can take all of your toys for a drive.
You gonna put your toys on the rice? That would be toy rice instead of taco rice, though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what else are we gonna put on it? We're gonna put some
Oniku.
We're gonna use beef, aren't we? So we got some brisket here. We're gonna grind ourselves. You can, of course, just buy ground beef at the grocery store. That's fine. So we're gonna spice our beef with spices. So we're gonna use oregano, black pepper, cumin, salt, chili powder, paprika. Last but not least, any ideas what that one is?
Baking soda.
Garlic powder. Did you try to read it? Yeah. You saw I don't know what you saw.
I just saw.
Baby Daddy's writing's too messy. Garlic powder, yeah. So that's our beef and our spices. Sorry, here. That's such a cool tattoo. Show everyone your tattoo. What do you have on there?
I have a mermaid bracelet tattoo and a unicorn swinging on a rainbow.
I wish I had a tattoo too. Maybe I do. I got a cool dinosaur tattoo.
Even Mommy has one.
Yeah, I know. We're just tattoo people.
We're tattoo people.
Alright, so we're gonna spice our beef with all these spices over here. What else do we need after we put that? We gotta put on top some cheese.
My favorite.
Me too. And then we're gonna put some
cabbage.
Cabbage would work. This one's lettuce. I think cabbage would be tasty too, but we're gonna use lettuce today.
I'll cut it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Cool.
With the small scissors.
Alright. We should use a knife. It's a little quicker, but you can try. You can try and cut it with me.
Yeah.
Alright, and then on the very top we're gonna put
tomatoes.
You don't really like these though, do you?
Yeah.
Also, we can put ketchup on top, which is pretty good. It sounds a little strange, but that's the way we do it, isn't it? We're gonna get started?
Mm-hmm.
What should we do first? You wanna wash the rice?
Yeah!
Alright, let's get all this stuff out of the way and then get washing some rice. Make sure it's full right to the top. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
So many.
So much rice. Perfect. So that's all we need.
Upside down.
Yep.
One more. To make it
A little bit because you're a little short on some of them.
It's so heavy.
Yeah, now we gotta put water in. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. So we're just trying to get some of the starch off the outside of the rice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here, now we're gonna take it out and change the water. Okay?
Are we gonna mix it again?
No, we're done washing it. So we want to fill it up to the line that says 3. Guess whatever rice cooker you have, you should just use that the way it's supposed to be used, right? So now we're gonna take that. I like to dry off the bottom so we don't put water in the... In 1 hour we have...
Rice.
Perfect. High five. Good job. Oh! Try again. Whoa! One more. We're gonna cut this guy up, all right? Here we go. So we're gonna move the lettuce to the cutting board. All right, and then we're gonna take the knife like this. And then we're gonna do long cut this way. And then last one. Good job. And then we put our knife down because we're done. And then we can move the lettuce with the other lettuce. You did it. Good job. There we go. All set. That all good? Do you want to try it?
No.
Because tomatoes and lettuce?
Yeah.
What if we have a bite of a part that's not tomatoes and lettuce?
I like rice.
Or should I make you your own bowl of just rice and beef and cheese?
I want to put whatever I want in it.
Okay, how about we make up another bowl for Ruby? Perfect.
Thanks.
Do you want more?
More. I like rice.
Okay. How's that? Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about we use one meat?
You can use the spoon, sweetie. You're gonna just put by one?
Yeah, but they want to make a happy face.
Okay. This is the happiest taco rice ever. Do you want more beef now, though? Can we cover them up with beef?
No.
You can. That's it. That's your dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
Are you sure? Okay, taco rice Ruby style. Here, I'll show everybody. Happy face taco rice.
Happy face taco rice.
All right. Do you want to eat?
I want to eat.
All right.
I'm
I'm gonna take a bite of mine. You take a bite of yours. Maybe I put some ketchup on mine too. There we go.
Here,
Okay.
just like mine.
All right.
No. No, Daddy.
All right, Ruby.
This spoon is a beard.
A spoon is a beard. The moment you've been waiting for.
Time to eat my happy face taco rice.
All right, itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. I don't want to eat mine. Just kidding. Don't eat me.
Oh no. Pretty good, isn't it? Mm-hmm. It's really tasty, isn't it?
I just ate that. And bottom.
Does it taste happy?
It tastes like a happy face.
It tastes like a happy face. You know what mine tastes like? Mine tastes like really delicious taco rice.
Because we made it together.
Good job. High five. Pow.
How about we do french fries after?
Sure. French fries.
How about we do french fries? Like you do high five
Okay.
and then I do french fries.
Okay.
And then you go like this.
And then I go like this too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's our secret handshake now, isn't it? Is that our taco rice handshake?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Hope you have fun watching the show. You're on the bus.
Really bad hair today.
Rice and then taco with it.
Taco stuff on top is our favorite Okinawan dish?
Yeah.
Or do we like Okinawa soba better?
I like Okinawa soba.
Well, I like taco rice a lot too.
Did you know Johnny said, I'm not a hippie, I'm a slacker. What's a slacker?
Someone who doesn't work hard.
You remember the word.
It's okay to eat my taco rice now. Okay, I'm too hungry. Can't handle it.